Hi, friends. Grace Rizza of Identity Dental Marketing here today. I love to share tips and tricks with you. Every time I get a new question from a client, I try to turn it into something that can help our audience as well. So today, someone asked me, how can I leverage SEO for insurance-based keywords? We've been doing this for years. A lot of our competition doesn't really pay a lot of attention to the priority of keywords in an SEO campaign. A lot of times they're just expanding and showing you lists of thousands and thousands of words, and kind of overwhelming you with the details so that you feel like it's too complicated to understand. But in reality, SEO is actually pretty simple. You want a main search term, which is going to be your main focus. A lot of times this will be dentist in town, dentist or orthodontist, or pediatric dentist town, or near me, or whatever we deem to be most appropriate based on your location, how Google draws their map, and a couple other ranking factors to look at, like competition levels, budget, things like that. Once we have your main search terms, then we're always working on the what's called long tail search terms. So insurance-based search terms are somewhere between long tail search terms, so those very detailed, low competition search terms like teeth whitening, dentist near me is more of a long tail search term, but dentist in Chicago is more of a main search term. So Cigna dentist in Schaumburg, Illinois would be more of a medium. It would be between those two, right? So there is some competition, but it's not going to be very high, mostly because most of our competitors aren't really thinking about this. So this strategy is not for everyone using SEO to target insurance-based patients. Some of our clients, many of our clients, are wanting less insurance-based patients. They're wanting to go more fee for service. So I wouldn't automate this as part of our process to just do this for everyone. It really depends on what your goals are and what you're looking to do. Now, for a startup practice, when you're just opening your doors, you want to get as many new patients as you can. And you're willing to be a little bit scrappy. You're willing to put out a new patient special in most cases. You're willing to join and accept different insurance plans and participate in those plans. If you are to target certain keywords through SEO, that's certainly something we can help you with. What we do is, I'm not going to give all the details here, but you'll talk to your advisor. But we do have a way to build very targeted pages and attach SEO to those pages. And there is a fee associated with this because it is outside of the typical processes that we have for SEO to get you ranked for those main search terms and also for those long tail search terms. So we can always add on to what we're doing. It's very, very cost effective to go after these search terms with SEO, but I would not want you to stop there. So let's say you've identified 5 insurances that have pretty good reimbursements with that you're happy with, and you'd like to bring in more patients from those 5. Maybe it's 3, or maybe it's 2, or maybe it's 1, whatever it looks like. You can also run Google ads targeted towards people looking for, let's say, Cigna dentist near me, or whatever insurance plan you're targeting. And you can gauge exactly how much it costs to attract those patients, where they're coming from. And these are very effective campaigns because the patient is being very specific in what they're looking for. And so we attach that ad strategy to a very specific landing page that is all about the acceptance of and participation in this particular insurance plan. So if you are looking to attract more PPO patients, long story short, we're your people. Feel free to reach out to us, identitydental.com. Thanks so much. I hope you have a great day.